irrespective of what is already going on in Finland. No, this is a dream, a vision that Nigeria never believed that is going to come, which many people never believe that it will come one day. But finally, it has come. Finally, it has stand. Finally, it's going on. You know, initially I've said something that many dignitaries are going there, stuck. The country called Finland have been stuck down, and people think maybe I'm just saying. Now we are witnessing it to the point that the Finland president is aware. No one asked me, are you sure that Finland? I say if Finland president is not fully in support, he will not allow this kind of thing to go on in his country. Yes, and there is another set of people again. I said it before that even Africans, I was told live there that Igboho too was there. And Eritrean president is there.
And like Flavour is going to be doing the closing ceremony.
You see?
You know, a lot of things.
And Flavour.
Allegedly, they are all storming there.
In fact, even that Chioma Davido wife, you know, if you and Fino the rest, in fact, it is something that have never taken place. Let me say, ever since I was born, at least I'm pursuing 50 now. I'm pursuing 50. Ever since I was born, I've never experienced this. Yes, that means in the decade of 50, something to 60, almost 100 years now, the world have never experienced what they are experiencing today in Finland. And they have never experienced set of people called Biafra, or experienced set of person called Ekpa.
This is the first time in the history of the world. They are seeing this type of agitation,
yes,
and pursuit of self-determination.
Son, in the global, worldwide, with the people they call commoners, from the people that the Nigerian communize, that the Nigerian are marginalizing, that the Nigerian are humiliating, that the Nigerian are intimidating, the people, the set of people that Nigeria did not see as anything, they call them nobody. But look at the kind of crowd, look at the kind of personalities they are pulling. Look at the kind of people that are embracing their occasion, which they set up. Do you know what that means? About 5 or 7 House of Representatives from America are presently there. Many of them, Finland as a country of their own, has never, even their own independence, is not as loudly or clouded as this. Even them, the Finland, it has never happened in their land. Even their own independence did not draw a crowd like this. The way Biafra pull crowd in their country. Do you know that today, people that doesn't know much about them have come to know Finland. People that don't know countries have known Finland, and they will remember Finland with one thing: Biafra Convention. Are you getting the whole world today? Both Germany, all the Europeans, the Americans, South Americans, Asia, Africa, Australia, name them. East and West Africa, every corner, every part of the world, they have their delegates, including Nigeria too, and London. Nigeria have their own representative there too. Funny enough, for you to see the breeze of Biafra is something that a country like Nigeria cannot cope. You cannot stop the spirit. You can't stop it. It has come to stay. Biafra has come to stay. It has come to be. Surprisingly, you know, that's why I do tell people, don't look down on anybody. When a man is talking, don't look at his size, don't look at his appearance, don't look at his English, don't look at the size of his head, but think of that thing that he's saying. Because before he starts saying it, there is something here about what he said. It might not be making sense to you, but calm down, because there is sense inside nonsense. There is a sense inside nonsense, and that is what is playing today. Because Nigeria looked down on Ekpa, doing Ekpa.
Yes.
Even some persons say Simon Ekpa did not have origin. He's claiming to be a Biafra. Who is the father's name, the mother's name? They ridiculed him. They made him appear as nobody. But Mr. Nobody has become Mr. Somebody. Worldwide, there's no country you will go now make mention of Simon Ekpa in the world that will say that I did not know the man again. No country, I repeat, there's no country that you will go today and make mention of Simon Ekpa that their president will tell you I did not know him. They all know him now. The whole world knows him now. You see why I stood my ground, and when I was saying that Simon Ekpa is the original governor of the southeast, the Biafran. Some people are opposing me. Some people say that I don't know what I am doing, what I am saying. Some people that I don't have sense. They even call me all sorts of names. They even throw some kind of encounter. All those things that I said, is it not what is happening today? How many southeast governors can pull crowd like Simon Ekpa today? How many of them can draw the attention of dignitaries of the whole world, including America? How many of the Southeast governors can pull that crowd or pull their attention, draw their attention like this? No, tell me, not one. Is it Hope? Is it Timba? Who? Nobody. Nobody. It's only he that is worthy of doing it. It's he that has done it.
Is this the reason why Nigerian government has gone as far as releasing over 100 IPOB members that are in detention all of a sudden, and has promised that Nnamdi Kanu any moment from now will be released? I wonder, people are just wondering, has the miracle of Finland started?
Baba, it is not issue of miracle. You know, the fear of Simon Ekpa is the wisdom of Nigeria. The fear of Simon Ekpa, because they never believe it, and it has come to pass. So because of this, they know what that stands to be. Because Simon Ekpa Biafran have already sued Nigeria to international court. Come next year, Nigeria will face it. And they will face it with evidence. And currently now we have over 1 million evidence against Nigeria on their attitude towards the Biafrans. You understand? That was why they released those Biafrans that they kept in their custody illegally, and they are pushing it again. Let's pray this mass and American. If with emotion, but that if is not going to be again. That if is this. If by releasing Mazen Namdekanu and releasing these people, the heart of the Biafrans will be mellowed down. Mazen Namdekanu being the leader, the person that they respect, may equally as well talk to them so that their mind will calm down. At the same time, the only man that can approach Simon Ekpa and Simon Ekpa will reason with him and listen to him. That is the only person we can use now to talk to Simon Ekpa. And Simon Ekpa will calm down for us to see have one Nigeria. But it's not going to be possible. You know, that's the mentality of Nigeria. They are looking for every possible alternative to make sure that Igbos did not actually completely leave Nigeria. You get it? So that's why they have released those ones, and they are about to releasing Mazen Namdekanu to make sure that let this man go and please forgive us. You know, when a man commit, please, I know I've offended you, please forgive us, so that we will still rub mind, maybe like they have already said before, to have a new constitution so that Igbo people will be favored as well. Their rights will be given to them. You know, all these things are part of the agitations that Mazen Namdekanu pushed and Simon Ekpa fulfilled. You get it? So all these things are their strategy, but it is too late. It's too late.
What the world is talking about now, the Biafrans all over the world, Ngozi, Dr. Ngozi, outstanding performance, outstanding ceremony, outstanding event in Finland, where the person that supported the Biafran music anthem, you know, is being immortalized,
Yes.
talking about Jean Sibelius. But away from there, at this point in time, any moment from now, we are going to see advanced bilateral treaties, agreements, and all that. You see, they say it should be secret because we can be anyone from now, any country can stand up and recognize Biafra as a sovereign nation. Yes. Do you have any country in mind? Now, what are the countries you are looking at? But some are saying no, it's a secret. No one should talk about it. But
Yes, yes, it should be secret because we are doing spiritual things. You know why it should be secret is because of Nigeria. Are you getting? Nigeria is good in bribery because Nigeria is a country full of bribery and corruption. They don't see it as a crime. Just few days ago, one of the workers, an officer in China, has been sentenced to death. That kind of thing cannot take place in Nigeria because Nigeria embrace corruption. You understand? So let's leave it like that. And I know based on this question you ask now, many people's eyes will be based on Donald Trump because they know him as man that Mr. No Nonsense. He's a man of justice that can wake up at any time, declare a thing. He doesn't care how you feel about it because he knows that is how it should be. But let people far from this. This time around, it may not be Trump now. It might even be the people that you don't expect. It might even be Nigeria too. That answer can even stand up. Hey, done and dusted, you people. You get it? It could be pretty.
can you put it very clearly that Biafra cannot get their independence from Nigeria? Biafra is seeking independence from the United Nations and the global world and not from Nigeria. Many people are still want that area to be clarified.
Then I'm just throwing some based on the question because it's a secret. And that secret, everybody eyes is centered in America. So it can come from anywhere. But the issue remains, Nigeria will not like the Biafrans to go because they know the importance of Biafra. And that importance is what they have failed many years to realize. And now it is too late for them. So any country can come up, but definitely not Nigeria.
What do you think is happening in Abuja now? Given what is going on in Finland, the people in Finland are fearless.
Abuja is calm. Abuja is under the tension of cold water, ice water, because the shock of their life has matched them, which they never dream of, which they never expected. It has come upon them. You understand? There is an animal called Nte in Igbo language. They say the thing will be past that. I've forgotten the English word. That Nte. Nte said in his one of his proverb word that what he hates most is afraid of has catch up with him. So what Nigeria is scared of, what they don't want, is what has come to them. That's why in Aso Rock, in National Assembly, Mr. President himself, the Vice President Shetima, the Senate President Akpabio, and the rest of them, the governors, every corner, every quarter, both the local government, everywhere is calm because they never believe it. Now it has come to pass. You get it? So all these things are the reason why everywhere is quiet.
Do you share the international benefit of recognizing IPOB people anywhere in the world, given what happened in Finland?
Yes. Do you know why I say so? Even before now, that international recognition is already there. Why I say this? Nigerian government visited in London to meet Charles, King Charles. And Charles replied back in the case of Mazen and the Kano. Charles said to them that the England have washed their hand in that case, that they should go and handle it on them. Since that day, every good, reasonable Nigeria should know that there is something fishy, which Charles did not disclose to Nigeria. internationally. And as I speak to you, the Nigerian president and his wife visited France and they met the president of France, Macron, uh,
Emmanuel Macron.
Emmanuel Macron, in the issue of Biafra. You know, Macron repeated the same thing. Anything Biafra, agitation, and whatsoever that is washing his hand off from him, that Nigeria should not bring such a thing to his table. Are you not see? So that's why everywhere is quiet, like ice water in Aso Rock. Because what is happening starting from yesterday has proven to them that actually Nigeria and Biafra are no more families.
Finally.
Finally, there are no more families. And every agitator, every Igbo man, every person of Biafra is not ready to have anything with Nigeria again.
Thank you.